Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create and manage task priorities with color coding. The first step is to create a task list. Now this might seem pretty straightforward, but it's really the foundation for everything that follows. A well-organized task list helps you see the bigger picture and identify what needs to be prioritized. Now that we've done that, we're going to assign each task a priority level. This is crucial as it helps us focus on what's most urgent or important. You can assign priority levels like high, medium, or low, depending on how urgently the task needs to be completed. The reason we do this is because next, we're going to assign a color to each priority level. For example, you might want to use red for high priority tasks, yellow for medium, and green for low. This helps us because it turns our task list into a visual map of what needs our attention most urgently. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you start to complete tasks and remove colors from your list, you'll naturally feel drawn to the remaining colors. This subtly guides you towards the tasks that need your attention the most. Next up, we're going to periodically review and adjust our task list and color codes as needed. This is important because priorities can change and we need to adapt accordingly. Let me explain why this matters. By regularly reviewing and adjusting your task list, you ensure that you're always working on what's most important at any given moment. And there you have it. You're now equipped to create and manage task priorities with color coding. Remember, the key is to start with a solid task list, assign priority levels, color code these levels, and then frequently review and adjust as necessary. Stay organized and stay focused. Until next time.